ready to celebrate its centenary next year. A few activities are underway in preparation for this great event. I am aware that you as an association have your plans to celebrate yours in a few years' time. Perhaps this is a wonderful opportunity to revisit the purpose of the association for which it was established and examine the vision that the founders of the association had for its future. Times have changed, hence the necessity to revisit its purpose. To suit the present day reality, being aware of what is happening all around us globally. Thank you for the immense support you have been to the college in the past years. You have been gracious. Our relationship between the college and OBA has been cordial. I wish you all the very best in your endeavors, keeping the college flag flying very high. God bless you and have a pleasant evening.
Thank you, Reverend. Next item on the agenda is addressed by the President.
Principal of Maharashtra College in Kambu, Reverend Michael. Principal of Maharashtra College, Divya Kanwa, Reverend Shanti. Respected members at the table, past president, batch leaders, President Sports Association, and my dear milestone. First of all, I would like to welcome Principal of Maharashtra College, Nigambu, Reverend Michael Yuva, and Principal of Divya Kanwa, Reverend Shanti Jain. Also, I would like to welcome you all milestonians for today's AGS, that you all have attended today's meeting in spite of your busy schedule. Gentlemen, as you all know, as a responsible association, we had to limit the participation as well as the time duration today, according to COVID-19 regulations. As a result of that, we are having a hybrid meeting today. I don't have to talk about activities of the year as we have mentioned in the annual report. We had to cancel most of our projects due to prevailing situation in the country. But our landmark project, building of swimming pool, is in progress. It took little time as we had to change architectural and the structural plan twice due to unavoidable circumstances. But we were able to submit the final plan and the BOP to our provision to Reverend Principal. I am happy to mention that we have received a positive reply, and now we are working on the preparation of memorandum of understanding that will be signed in near future. The technical committee will call tender for contractor, and we hope to commence work somewhere in the month of May. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to thank those who helped us in very many ways during this year. Starting with Reverend Provincial, Principal of Maharashtra College, Nigambu, Reverend Michael, Principal of Divya Kanwa, Reverend Shanti, and Reverend Ranjit for their fine operation. I'll be failing in my duty if I don't thank teachers and parents of both schools for helping us to make our fundraiser over the success. Also, I thank President and the members of Sports Association, Past Cricket Association, Past Scouts Association, Batch Group and Batch Group for extending their fullest cooperation to OBA during last year. My special thanks goes to our outgoing dynamic secretary, Mr. Anton Gumardan, for the great job done. Thank you, Mr. Gumardan. I am deeply indebted to all our past residents for their valuable guidance during their years. Last but not least, a word of thanks to our office bearers, committee members, and all Milestonians for their valuable contribution towards OBA during the year. Thank you.
Next item in the agenda is appreciation of batch groups, but due to restrictions, COVID restrictions, actually I discussed with that coordinator, Mr. Pradeep Piris, and we are planning to organize that recognition as a separate program. So therefore, that we are not going to do that today. Next item is election of office bearers for year 2021. For that, I would like to request the House to propose a pro tem chairman to take the chair.
Mr. President, I do wish to propose the name of Mr. Ajit Veerasinghe, our immediate past president, as pro tem chairman for this meeting.
Thank you, Mr. Tisera. Thank you, Robert. I would like to invite pro tem chairman, our immediate past president, Mr. Ajit Veerasinghe, to take the chair.
Thank you, Mr. President, and all the members for giving me honors just for about 1 minute. So let me do the job quickly. So what I am entrusted here, according to the Constitution, is to declare the appointment of the President. So, according to the nominations received, there are 2 names. 2 members have submitted their nominations for the post of President. One name is Mr. Anton Nishantha Fernando, the present President, proposed by Mr. Maxwell Tisera and seconded by Mr. Anton Gunawardena. The other candidate is Mr. Pradeep Piris, proposed by Mr. Hiran Fernando and seconded by Mr. Earl Subavira. So first of all, we'll have to appoint a President. So therefore, I open the general thing is we need to go for an election. But in this instant, I must appreciate the fact that Mr. Piris has consented to withdraw his nomination. Yes.
And my dear fellow members, withdrawal of nomination. Dear members, I have
the Committee of Management of the OPA for over 30 years consecutively, held many positions and chaired numerous events during this tenure. With the experience and exposure that I have gained, I believe that I should give back same to our most global organization. In order to do so, I submitted my nomination for the post of President of the OPA on the request made by many members. Since there are two nominees, restriction on meetings due to COVID and respecting the request by the respected past president of the OPA, I wish to withdraw my nomination in the best interest of our country. I hereby announce that I will submit my nomination to the post of president of the OPA for year 2020. Thank you. Yours in OPA, Pradeep Piris. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Piris, for your true Mali spirit of withdrawal. So that has paved the way for Mr. Anton Nishant Fernando to be elected, duly elected as the president for the All Boys Association of Marcella College to lead our association for the year 2021. May I invite the president, Mr. Anton Nishant Fernando, to take the chair and proceed the rest of it. That ends my job. Thank you.
Thank you, Sajid Singh. Next item is election of the other office bearers. We have received 5 nominations as vice presidents. That is Mr. Modestus Pereira, proposed by Mr. Pradeep Piris and seconded by Mr. Ledrick Fernando. Mr. Dhammika Fernando, proposed by Mr. Lalit Bulat Sinhala, seconded by Mr. Heshan Bulat Sinhala. Mr. Dinuka Jayawardena, proposed by Mr. Disney Fernando and seconded by Mr. Primal Vidana. Mr. Robert Fernando, proposed by Mr. Ledrick Fernando and seconded by Mr. Anton Gunawardena. And Mr. Dilan Fernando, proposed by Mr. Himanshu Fernando and Viraj Jaisuman. So there are 5 nominations that we have received. All nominations are in order. Yeah. Therefore, I declare these 5 vice presidents are duly elected for their respective positions. And there is 1 vacancy for the post of vice president. I would like to propose the name of Mr. Pradeep Piris from the chair for that vacancy. Next is General Secretary. General Secretary, the name is Mr. Oh yeah, this is yeah. Then also I declare Mr. Pradeep Piris also duly elected for the post of Vice President of Marcella College. Then the General Secretary, Mr. Elmo Royal, proposed by Mr. Tilak Siembala and seconded by Mr. Anton Gunawardena. Since there are no other nominations, I declare Mr. Elmo Royal is duly elected as the General Secretary for year 21. Assistant General Secretary, Mr. Dempsey Finance, proposed by Mr. Samudra Puhami and seconded by Anton N. Fernando. As there are no other nominations, I declare Mr. Dempsey Fernando is duly elected for the post of Assistant General Secretary of All Boys Association for year 2021. Next is Treasurer. Mr. Samaka Fernando, proposed by Anton Fernando and seconded by Chain Ahmad. As there are no other nominations, I declare Mr. Samaka Fernando is duly elected for the post of Treasurer for OBA 2021. Assistant Treasurer, Mr. Milan Varnakula Surya, proposed by Randika Pereira and seconded by Mr. Samaka Fernando. As there are no other nominations, I declare Milan Varnakula Surya is duly elected for the post of Assistant Treasurer of OBA for year 2021. Fifth is Mr. Milan. I will give an opportunity. Next is Sports Secretary. We have received one nomination for the Sports Secretary, Mr. Kasun Fernando, proposed by Achira S. Fernando and seconded by Ernest Silva. As there are no other nominations, I declare Kasun Fernando is duly elected for the post of Sports Secretary of All Boys Association 2021. Membership Secretary. There are no nominations for the post of Membership Secretary. That position is still vacant. May I call a nomination from the floor? Yes.
I would like to nominate Mr. Devran.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, Shrimanta. Thank you, Dhammika. Now I declare Mr. Dilran Ravindra is duly elected for the post of Membership Secretary of All Boys Association year 2021. Next is Social Secretary. There are two nominations for the Social Secretary. One is Mr. Roshan Kulatilaka, proposed by Mr. Ledrick Fernando and seconded by Mr. Densil Pereira. And next is Mr. Samudra Appuhami, proposed by Mr. Dempsey Fernando and seconded by Mr. Samaka Fernando. Over to you, General Secretary.
I have received a letter of withdrawal from Mr. Samudra Appuhami. Therefore, there is only one nomination.
As Mr. Samudra Appuhami has withdrawn his nomination, I declare Mr. Roshan Kulatilaka is duly elected for the post of Social Secretary of All Boys Association for year 2021. Editor. Editor, there is a vacancy. I would like to propose the name of Mr. Amal Randemye for the post of editor from the chair. Yes, come.
Good, right second. Sorry, I was proposed from the chair.
And since there are no other nominations for the post of editor, I declare Mr. Amal Randemye is duly elected for the post of editor, All Boys Association 2021. We have received following nominations for the post of committee member for 20 positions. I think now 18. There are 2 vacancies to be filled. But firstly, I will go through the nominations that we have received. Committee member, Dr. Tilak Siembalapitiya, proposed by Mr. Anton Gunawardena and seconded by Mr. Elmo Royal. Committee member, Mr. Nilanta Alakon, proposed by Mr. Himanshu Fernando and seconded by Mr. Dilran Fernando. Committee member, Mr. Ivan Jayasuriya, proposed by Mr. Densil Pereira and seconded by Mr. Dempsey Fernando. Committee member, Mr. Anton Gunawardena, proposed by Anton N. Fernando and seconded by Priyanka Karunaratna. Committee member, Mr. Himanshu Fernando, age category 30-35, proposed by Mr. Anton Gunawardena and seconded by Dilran Fernando. Committee member Mr. Primal Vitana, proposed by Mr. Dinuka Jayawardena and seconded by Mr. Disney Fernando. Committee member Mr. Ravindu Fernando, age category 30-35, proposed by Mr. Himanshu Fernando and seconded by Mr. Dilran Fernando. Committee member Mr. Lalit Bulat Singhala, proposed by Mr. Heshan Bulat Singhala and seconded by Mr. Densil Pereira. Committee member Mr. Tiron Seneviratna, proposed by Mr. Shimanta Pereira, seconded by Mr. Arun Nalakaratnajeeva. Committee member Mr. Arun Ratnajeeva, proposed by Mr. Shimanta Pereira and seconded by Mr. Rukmal Seneviratna. Committee member Mr. Inon Cruz, age category 25-30, proposed by Mr. Shimanta Pereira and seconded by Mr. Arun Nalakaratnajeeva. Committee member Mr. Densil Pereira, proposed by Mr. Duminda Pereira, seconded by Mr. Lalit Bulat Singhala. Committee member Mr. Mahendra Attanayaka, proposed by Mr. Robert Fernando and seconded by Mr. Densil Pereira. Committee member Mr. Ruan Pereira, proposed by Mr. Rajiv A. Fernando and seconded by Pulasti Kaushalya Silva. Committee member Mr. Dilran Fernando, age 25-30, proposed by Dilanjit Fernando and seconded by Mr. Inon Cruz. I think his name was proposed for the post of membership secretary. I think he has to withdraw, or maybe his nomination will become null and void because of the two posts, null and void. No? Yeah, thank you. And committee member Mr. Shimanta Pereira, proposed by Mr. Rukmal Seneviratna and seconded by Mr. Arun Nalakaratnajeeva. Committee member Mr. Punsisi Dhammika Pereira, proposed by Mr. Shimanta Pereira and seconded by Mr. Arun Nalakaratnajeeva. Committee member Mr. Sudarshana Jayatilaka, proposed by Mr. Pradeep Piris, seconded by Mr. Anton Fernando. Committee member Mr. K. Dimutu R. Fernando, proposed by Mr. Pradeep Piris and seconded by Mr. Janakadi Lambert. Out of 20 vacancies, 18 have filled. So therefore, I declare those 18 names of these committee members are duly elected for the post of committee member of All Boys Association Marisala College, Nigambu for the year 2021. And there are 2 vacancies. Can somebody propose? Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Now, are there any nominations? As there are no other nominations, I declare Mr. Samudra Kohami and Mr. Nishedra Ekanayak are duly elected for the post of committee members of Marisala College All Boys Association for year 2021. Next item in the agenda is appointing of auditors.
Mr. President, with your permission, I would like to propose the same auditors for this year.
Can somebody second?
I think I have the name, right?
Yeah.
That is Mr. sorry, Mr.
Auditor.
No, I don't.
One Silva. Seconded by Mr. Inami Bruce. Next is appointing of secretaries. Present secretaries.
I propose the present secretaries, Gunadhana and Company, to be the secretaries.
Can somebody second? Yeah. Thank you. Next item on the agenda is address by the President-elect.
I think I don't have to talk much about we have already spoken to your secretaries at the table, my dear Milestonian. Now at this moment, I would like to request you all to rise and observe 2 minutes silence in respect of Milestonians who have passed away, especially during last year. One of our past Vice President, Sri Lankan Fernando, passed away. Are there any names to be mentioned? Yeah, and Sir Ranjit Fernando also passed away during last year. So I would like to request 2 minutes silence to observe 2 minutes silence. And also, Reverend Delegate. Thank you. This moment it is my duty to thank you for electing me as your president. Also, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Mr. Pradeep Giri for withdrawing his nomination and allowing me to come uncontested. Thank you.
Next item on the agenda is vote of thanks by our secretary, General Secretary-elect, Mr. Elmo Roy. And also I invite him to the head table.
Thank you, Mr. President. Good evening, gentlemen. Good evening, gentlemen. First of all, I thank the Almighty God for blessing to have the AGM of Master College Srilanka of Almost Association in this pandemic situation. My sincere thank goes to Reverend Michael Divas, Principal of Master College Srilanka, and Reverend Shanti Yanake, Principal of Jigas Kariwar, for gracing this occasion. Thank you very much, dear Reverend. Also, I thank President Mr. Anthony Shantha for his enthusiasm for organizing this event, despite the postponement in the COVID-19 pandemic situation. Mr. Anthony Gunadhana, our outgoing Honorary Secretary, deserves a big thank for his contribution over the last 3 years in these challenging times. I thank all the Vice Presidents, the past Presidents, and outgoing executive committee members who participated at this AGM in this evening. Also, I thank the new EXCO members for joining the team to help the presidency navigate the Arts Faculty All Boards Association and face the challenges to make the centenary celebrations, as Honorable Mahendra Devas mentioned, of our alma mater, a great success. A special thanks to Himanshu, Nirvan, and Edric, and Damnika for getting this Zoom link organized for the members to join the AGM virtually. I will not forget to thank the head authorities of Nilambu Media Officer of Health Area for their assistance to make this event a success. The OK Center Management Committee and the Center Manager, Mr. Vijay, this is a thank for the facilities provided.